Okay, we have all our ingredients here and probably some more. Let's get into making some cocktail sauce. Starts off with whatever ketchup you choose. Okay, we'll do probably about 3/4 of a cup ketchup. Next ingredient we're gonna do is some horseradish. We'll probably do a nice big tablespoon of horseradish in there. We'll go in for one more because I like it spicy. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of horseradish. I ran out of lemons. I made lemonade, forgot to save myself one. But we have our trusty concentrate. So we'll do a nice little squeeze there, about a tablespoon. We have our Worcestershire sauce. About a teaspoon of that. Measure with your heart, as they say. We got some Tabasco sauce. Okay, about a half a teaspoon in there. We have some garlic powder. Half teaspoon. We have onion powder. Half teaspoon. And we also have my little secret, a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Half teaspoon. Okay, the only thing that I am missing is my black pepper. Again, the ketchup has enough salt in it, so you don't want to add any more salt to this. And we'll do, it's coming out a little slow, half teaspoon of that. Okay, we'll give this a nice little mix. Okay, and there you go. This is great for shrimp cocktail, fried shrimp, whatever you like to use cocktail sauce with. I prefer it on seafood, but give it a try. Let me know how you like it.